Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about virtual memory and how to set it up on your Windows system. If you've ever run into slow performance or your system running out of memory, virtual memory might be the solution you need. Let's get into it. Virtual memory is a feature in Windows that allows your computer to use a portion of your hard drive or SSD as extra memory when your physical RAM is full. While it doesn't replace the speed of RAM, it can help prevent system crashes or slowdowns when you run out of memory. Think of it as a backup plan for your RAM. Let's walk through how you can adjust your virtual memory settings. First, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type systemcpl and press Enter. This will open the System Properties window. Next, click on the Advanced tab and under the Performance section, click Settings. In the Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. Here, you'll see the option to adjust the size of the virtual memory. By default, Windows manages this automatically, but you can uncheck the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for All Drives option if you want to customize it. Select the drive you want to use for virtual memory, usually C, then choose either Custom Size or System Manage Size. If you go with Custom Size, you'll need to set the initial and maximum size for the paging file. A general rule is to set the initial size to the same as your RAM size and the maximum size to 1.5 to 3 times your RAM size. After making your changes, click Set and then OK. You'll need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. That's it. You now know how virtual memory works and how to adjust it on your Windows computer. If you've ever struggled with slowdowns due to low memory, this could help you get your system back on track. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.